Yeah, we're moving around a little bit just to give you a little bit of action in different parts of right here. So I'm just going to show you first off before we kind of look at the road behind us here. I just want to show you how deep it can get. Oh my. This is how deep it is. And that's the thing here. You can't really tell from here to here how deep this is. So if you're going to be walking, just be careful. Don't want you rolling any ankles. But I just want to show you that's what we're seeing here. And just to show you a little bit more, 64 behind us here. A truck is going by right now. You can, I don't know if you could tell through the fence, but you can't really see the road, and the trucks are out there. We know the plow trucks are out there. We've been seeing them, but with the wind and the snow keep coming down, it looks like they were saying it may not look like they're even out there, but trust me, we've seen them out here. They are out here. They're doing the best they can. I actually spoke to the county spokesperson who also tells me that's the battle that they're kind of dealing with right now is the snow and how cold it is. They're constantly having to keep doing this. So I'm going to move over here, Kira, if we want to pan from 64. Now, this is Oakland, showing you also a little bit about how the road here, so obviously we have a main road and a secondary road, just to show you how the roads are looking out here. Another thing is it's kind of hard to decipher where one lane starts, where another one is, even where the sidewalk is. So just something to keep in mind. Of course, we want you to avoid being out there, but if you are, just keep in mind, it's kind of hard to see where one lane ends, one lane starts. So here's some cars pulling up. So I just know that there's people that need to be out there. Speaking of essential workers, I just want to give a shout out to obviously everyone that has to be out there. The executive director, Jessica Wilbright, with St. Martha's, they have a domestic violence shelter. She said all of her workers made it. She was texting me. She's just so proud that they're able to make it. So just something to keep in mind. Essential workers are out there. We understand you're working hard. So shout out to all of them. And then quick thing before we head it back to you, Travis, I actually got a text message from the streets department for St. Louis City. He said there's a lot of cars that are stuck in North St. Louis. So if you're seeing that, we've seen that ourselves. People are getting out to help. So we've been seeing the kindness, but if you can avoid being out there, avoid trying to get in a situation where it might be dicey. So please be safe, everyone out there. Travis, back to you.
Yeah, good message there.